like today's weather is really, really. Let's see how the water's doing today. Yep, the water today is cold. Whoa, with some strong waves it looks like. But the thing is that the weather today is very like nice. It's not too sunny to the point where I think I might get sunburned. But I'm still gonna put on my sunblock though. Ooh, look at the sun. Hey you girls, pretty nice and crowded, but not too crowded today. Which is great because it's Saturday. Oh my goodness, you guys. Just when I thought the sun is going out, it suddenly just buzzed and then now it's fading away, which is nice. But let's hope that it doesn't go crazy again because then I get really bad sunburn. My goodness, you guys. The water today is so nice and cold. Perfect swimming weather, I think so. The water seems to be getting a little bit heavier now as the sun is setting. I mean, I don't know, it's hitting 6 o'clock pretty soon now, but I'm just still like chilling by the shoreline. I'm not going deep in the water. Not just yet. Because I don't want to get my hair wet. Oh my god. Waves are crazy today. Waves are really, really fucking crazy. Woo. Yeah, I'm just chilling here and the water's not even to my waist yet. Wow, look at that reflection. So pretty, right? Woo. This is the life. This is the life. Oh my god. I don't want to get my phone wet, guys.
Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips.
Oh my goodness.
Can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves.
Looks like the sun has set. Kind of will never know because look how cloudy it is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know what it is today, you guys, but it looks like the sun is alright and the moon is alright. And we got a little more skyline here.
Dizzy from the sun. Got the sunshine from the poolside. Such a fun time.
Caviar on my potato wedge slash pop-up breakfast slash french fries. Okay, this is like the most sacrilegious thing I'm pretty sure you could do to caviar. But it is so good. It's like guilty pleasure. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like salty and it just melts in your mouth. So it doesn't like attack you with the fishy flavor. It's like very subtly melting in and you can taste the ocean. Alright, now you guys, I'm gonna go in with the off-the-wall burger in my mouth because you know how much I loved this last time I had it. It's like the best burger I ever had in my life, honestly. I guess this one is like more. I don't know how much this is, but I do need this for my makeup storage. Is this $1 or something? 300 yen. It's for my lipsticks.
If it's trendy, but it's hard to tell. But like, I think these are the.
For time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. goes by. Been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
I'm gonna go check out 7-Eleven because I'm starving and they have really good buns. This is my favorite ice cream when I was a kid. Oh my god. But how much are these like expensive ass boba balls? Oh my god, this box is like $17. How much are they? I have no clue. It's probably $5. Guys, this curry chicken bun is like my favorite thing in 7-Eleven right now. Oh my god. Seriously, so good. It smells like legit like Indian curry. Wow. And it's still nice and hot too. 7-Eleven back in Cali don't have this. Wow. This is amazing. It's gonna be milk tea. Best milk tea in Hawaii, I think so. I am obsessed with this new boba place in Waikiki, you guys. And here we continue. Oh, movie time. I didn't know there's a movie here.
Where the board and sister, that's how many you have. Can I get one more box?
So good.
That is my hope, is that this becomes not
The deal that catches your eye, that shakes your soul, that changes your destiny.
Alright guys, I am back. Literally today is such a crazy morning for me. I thought I was just gonna have like a chill, relaxing day off, but it was just so many things happening. So we went to the movies and saw the King Woman, which is really good by the way. But like right after, I had an appointment for the liquor commission card and I went there straight away. I was late, but the lady didn't care. It took like 5 minutes to get the card. And then now I'm back at Waikiki Beach trying to like de-stress because I was just so worried and anxious the whole morning. Wow, this is the first time that I've been to Waikiki Beach at this hour. Because you know, I'm like a vampire. I try to like stay away from the sun and only come when it's sunset. Right now it's still kind of sunny to go to the beach, so. This is my outfit of the day today. My swimsuit of the day today. It's red, it's very Pamela Anderson, it's very Baywatch. And now I'm just ready to take a dip in the water and stop thinking about so many crap. Fuck the water. I hope the water is chill today. want to see. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. But it's usually like that when I go around this time though. Ooh, the weather today is actually really nice. I say that every time I go to Waikiki. That's why I always come to Waikiki. Look at how beautiful this pre-sunset sunbath is, you guys. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. The sun's gone. Behind that thick cloud bed right there. People are still surfing. I don't know how they do that. Oh my god, I was bossed so hard. The sun is already set, but I'm still camera whoring, you guys. It does not end here. There's still people here camera whoring with me. I mean selfie whoring or whatever you want to call it. Look! Oh my goodness, I am so glad. I don't like regret this. Tomorrow morning when I have to wake up early for work. Oh, so nice. So guys, look at this beautiful eclipse moon. Isn't that the most perfect half moon shape ever? Oh my goodness, I've never seen anything like that at Waikiki before. I am like over the moon. So pretty. Wow guys, what is this place? It's right behind International Marketplace. See what is the wait line? What is the wait time like for this place? Because I kind of want to try it now. But the line looks pretty legit, you guys. It looks like I can't eat this Murakami udon tonight because look at the crazy ass line. And it's only 8 o'clock. Oh my god. Maybe I'll eat here. It's this spicy salmon place. That Murakami udon place, look at the line. It is so crowded after dinner time, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat that tonight because who knows how long I'm gonna have to wait, and I don't like waiting. So we're probably gonna go find something else to eat nice and hot because I just finished swimming in Waikiki and it's getting kind of cold. Oh, thank you. I just love how I said I was gonna get something nice and hot, and then I went and did the exact opposite, and I got a super cold vanilla ice cream cone. This is my guilty pleasure. Vanilla ice cream cone at McDonald's. My boss just got me on the sidewalk. So cool. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. Okay guys, so I have like 15 minutes of spare time to just fit in a quick meal before my shift start at Benihana, because once my shift starts, I don't even have time to sit down, let alone eat or have breaks, because they don't do breaks yet. So I'll eat really quick. Cheers, that's fine. Wow. lunchtime for me, break time actually. And after this, I gotta go back to work, but this is what I'm having.
Quinoa salad with scrambled egg and candied walnuts. Ooh, looks so good. Oh my god.
This is me on my break time, you guys. We're pretty busy today. It's a Saturday and we had a rush and I was walking by myself. Thank God we have another one coming to help me. Because usually I don't even get a break. Waikiki Beach! This is like my only little paradise. Just before sunset. Of course, it's being blocked by the clouds, as always. Hello guys, it's me again checking in with you. But I feel like I haven't checked in with you in forever. But that's only because your girl has a job now. And actually, I don't just have one job, I have 2 jobs now in Hawaii. So this week was just so brutal. I had morning shifts and then 1 hour to commute from that place to the second place for my night shift, and my night shift ends so late because I work in the restaurant industry. And so like I had 4 double shifts, like 4 straight days in a row, and today was the only day where I don't have a night shift. I had a morning shift that I just finished, and now I'm hanging out at my paradise. It's literally like the only place I can relax. The weather today is actually like really good. It's already past, is it 6 o'clock yet? But I don't know, but it's like no sun. So I'm not gonna get sunburned even though I still have my sunburn mark here. But it's like really good to go to the beach because there's no sun and it's almost sunset. Time to relax. Here we go. The first relaxing evening in 4 days. Holy shit. And tomorrow I have an early morning shift and then a late night training thing I have to use at my second workplace. So welcome to Hawaii, right? Gets early for me. No matter how many times I've gone here, how many times I've seen this over and over again. I just saw a little crab, you guys. I swear. Oh, look at this. Can I eat it? Oh my goodness. I just saw one and I saw one over here. Is there another one up there? Oh my god, where are all these little crabs coming from? What? And then there's also one over here. Oh my god! Look at all these crabs that wash up shore. Oh my god. Speaking of the sun setting, I forgot to show you my swimsuit of the day today. It is this blue leopard bikini number. Yes. Ooh. Underboob showing. We don't want that. But yeah. So cute, right? Matches the beautiful blue sky of Hawaii and the beautiful blue ocean of Waikiki. And ooh, the sun is still setting. All right. She is taking a sweet time. Wow. That orange samba underneath that lavender pink cloud is just crazy gorgeous. Looks like there's gonna be a special performance here later. Rest up and enjoy the water. Oh, feels so nice and warm. Oh my goodness, this is like amazing right now. I've never felt more relaxed in the past few days. I've just been so stressed. Wow, this is paradise. Even if you're stressed, you can't stay stressed for long. I mean, how could you stay mad at this view? Look at this. The sun already set, but look at how beautiful the clouds are. Absolutely crazy. People are still taking photos and pictures, by the way. Guys, it looks like the entertainment has just started because there's a live band or music going on behind me with like hula dancing. I don't know what this is called. I don't know if this is like a weekly thing that they have here in Waikiki, but I've seen this happen I think a couple weeks ago as well.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.